Hi everyone, so welcome to my channel. If you're new, I would love it if you would subscribe. Y'all, I just got back from grocery shopping. Got home and I was like, you know what, forget this. My hair was down. It's just too hot for that. But I did get something exciting in the mail today, and it's in this box right here. The freshly picked classic mini. So I already have the original diaper bag that they have. I've been obsessed with minis. I'm just so excited, and I don't know, maybe y'all would be excited too. I just changed the lighting on this. I already know what to expect as far as like material wise. I'm just really curious about the size. The box is really not all that big, but oh my goodness, this is so stinking cute. Oh my goodness, guys. Okay, this is too adorable. I do have videos. Oh, okay. I don't know why I feel like it's kind of softer than the other one. I'm pretty sure it's the same material, but I don't know why it feels softer. Maybe it's just me. I haven't used my other freshly picked diaper bags in a while because it's just really big, and I don't need it on an everyday basis. So this is it. I got it in the ebony color, the black color, because I already have the, what is it, butterscotch, which is the brown one that they have. And look at this. This is so adorable. It is so tiny. And let me see, I just want to test something out real quick, because I was a little scared that these backpack straps were not going to fit. Oh yeah, yes. So I am not skinny by any means. Wouldn't call myself plus size. I'm kind of like in the in-between sizes. Let me see if I can get y'all to see what this. Okay, so I have it cinched all the way to the end with a little bit space left to spare there, but it definitely, I think, fits pretty well. I can actually just make this a little bit smaller. I like to carry mine a little bit higher, but doesn't that look so cute? You have your side bottle pockets. I'm excited to kind of test these out. You have your front zipper pocket. You do have a light lining so you can see everything in there. All this packaging, we just gotta take it out. If you guys want to see a comparison between this one and the regular size, let me know. So it does have this flap here, and then it does have the snap buttons. Zipper has a cute little tassel. I swear, I feel like this is like softer than the one that I have. So we got all this good packaging in here. Damn. They really know how to pack it up. Ooh. Gotta make sure the kids don't get to that. So if you don't already know, has a zipper pocket right here. This flat pocket. The one on the original has a magnet. And then you have one pocket right here, and then two on the side. So I can pretty much guess that all the stuff that I normally carry will fit in here. I will try and get a packing video out as soon as I can. I'm hoping next week. Thank you guys so much for watching, and give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm gonna make a lot more content with this little bag. So again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you for my next video. Bye guys.